What's up, everybody? Welcome. If you're new, if you're not, welcome back. Today on Whiplash, we're gonna be fixing a little problem that we've been having with disconnecting off-road. We hate it. We hate disconnecting off-road. We've lost bolts, we've lost nuts, we've had to adapt and buy new hardware, and we're sick and tired of it. So today, we're gonna install the JOCK ANTIROCK from Curry. Sit tight.
Andy Homer whips at 115 mile an hour pedal.
Sit up, tighten up to where you're able to get that lines up. You're gonna hit the bolt and lock it up.
Yeah, I think that'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Yep.
With the misalignment spacers, which are these, goes passenger side on the lower end. Remember, it's reverse threaded. Yeah, the nickel or stainless one is normal.
Yeah, it just doesn't want to go on all the way. I think that's correct, but that guy just doesn't want to thread on all the way. It's pretty tight.
Yeah, it's just like the first thread or whatever looks flat.
DD40?
I don't think that's really going to do it. It's because this first thread looks flat. It's just going to need to get forced on there.
Just gonna have to force it on there. Use the crescent wrench. Or do you want a wrench?
Nah, it's good. I got it. Just there. Yeah, it's literally just this
that
first
first
couple
little bits, yeah.
First couple threads probably would do it.
Take note, video. Take note. Don't just toss the threads around. Yeah, I got some that can probably get it. I'll get it.
Blowtorch.
Might be a 3/4.
Striking out today.
Is Sound too big?
Too big.
So it's a 19 then, I would imagine.
There you go.
Yeah, I think I just bottomed out. Okay.
Tightening toward the front bolt. Do this side again.
We only need to hit it once, but alright.
Leave it too thick, makes it hard to fucking go through.
Do you need to do that?
Probably gonna need to be swinging it on the other side too.
There. Alright guys, well that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Rock, jock, ANTIROCK. Not too bad. We lost our daylight as we often do here. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Make sure you smash the like button and come back. We got a whole lot more planned on the channel. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Peace.